Hello everybody, this is Zaxtor99. As you see here, I got some fried eggs frying up in my skillet here, and this reminds me of when I was a child and a teenager growing up watching my mother. Anytime she made eggs, or even anytime she put eggs in a cake, anything, she would always sit picking this white part out that you see in a fresh egg. She would sit there and pick that out, and it would be like a long process, 10, 15 minutes for a few eggs, picking those out with a fork. And it was because she always thought that that was the sperm in the egg. And I laugh about it today because if you look up the truth, everybody here in an article back in 2002, someone actually asked, "Is this not the sperm?" And the answer, the truth is that it's actually strands of white, and it's in each end of the yolk on the egg, and it's definitely not the beginning of an embryo, as it says right here. And you can kind of see each end of it down in the picture below. But it also says that if you see a lot of that, if it's prominent, it actually means it's a really fresh egg. So the more you see that, the fresher the egg. And the way you pronounce that, guys, is actually Khaleesi. It's Khaleesi. That's the Khaleesi of an egg. So hopefully I taught you guys something. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys are learning something new, or if you already knew this. I'd love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. This has been Zaxtor99. Take care out there.